Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain pump in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, you're going to need a Phillips, a flat blade, and a Torx 20 screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain pump. This dishwasher employs an electrical drain pump that is mounted on the bottom of the sump. If at the end of the cycle water still sits at the bottom of the dishwasher, the drain pump should be checked and replaced if needed. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out 3 screws on each side of the door that holds the outer panel. Slide down and out the panel to remove it. If one or both spaces jumps at you, just put them back. Using the Phillips, in our case screwdriver, take the 2 screws on the sides of the access panel out. Remove the access panel. Take the wire harness out of the retainer on the top of the drain pump. Theoretically, there could be a bit of water inside, so you'll be better off putting a towel on the floor. Using the flat blade screwdriver, press in the locking tab on the top and turn the pump clockwise to remove it. Be prepared to catch some water. Push the tab and remove the wire connector. Remove the towel. This is the old drain pump next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the pump wire plug. Match the tabs and the grooves and install the new drain pump. Turn it counterclockwise to lock in. Place the harness into the retainer. Install the access panel and secure to the 2 Phillips screws. Install the outer panel, slide it up and push it in. Secure to the 6 Torx 20 screws. And close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.